So after a serious trucking accident, there's one document that could protect more evidence than anything else in your entire case. And most people, they've never heard of it. It's called a spoliation letter. And in many trucking accident cases, it can make the difference between proving your claim and losing critical evidence forever. So what's a spoliation letter? Simply put, it's a formal legal demand letter sent to the trucking company. And this letter tells them that they must preserve all evidence related to the crash. And you send it immediately, quickly. Not next month, not when the lawsuit's filed, immediately. Because trucking companies control most of the important evidence in these cases. If nobody tells them they have to hold on to it or preserve it, that evidence can disappear fast. Now let's talk about what that evidence might include. Electronic logging device records, or ELD data. These records show driving hours, location, speeds, and whether the driver is complying with federal safety regulations. There's black box data, or ECM data. This can show speed, braking, steering input, and what the truck was doing just before impact. It could be dash cam footage. Lots of trucks have driver-facing cameras as well. Got dispatch communications, text messages, maintenance records, inspection reports, driver qualification files, drug and alcohol testing records, even the truck itself. And all of that evidence can become critical in proving what happened. But here's the problem. Much of it doesn't last forever. Dashcam footage may only be saved for a few weeks. Electronic data can be overwritten. Text messages get deleted. Trucks get repaired and put back into service. But once that evidence is gone, you may never get it back. That's why timing is everything. Properly drafted spoliation letter puts the trucking company on notice. It creates a legal obligation to preserve that evidence. If they destroy it or lose it after receiving the letter, the consequences to them can be severe. Courts impose penalties, they can limit defenses, sometimes even instruct a jury to assume the missing evidence would have been harmful to the trucking company and helpful to you. Think about that. A single letter can completely change all the leverage in a case. That's why experienced trucking accident attorneys send those letters immediately. Not weeks later, not months later. Sometimes within hours of being hired, they're going to send that letter. This is especially true here in Charlotte, where major trucking accidents involve I-77 and I-85, because these involve multiple companies, multiple electronic systems, sometimes enormous amounts of data. The bottom line, after a trucking accident, evidence is disappearing every single day. The sooner a spoliation letter goes out, the more evidence can be preserved. The more evidence you preserve, the stronger your case becomes. Because in trucking litigation, the truth is often hidden in records that the trucking company controls. And a spoliation letter is just one of the first tools used to protect that truth. I'm Shane Smith from Shane Smith Law, and if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.